Hey, Poor Guy Outdoor Cooking, how are you? Thanks for stopping by. We're going to do some leftovers from Thanksgiving dinner. Some leftovers. We've had this before. It's really simple and it's cost effective and easy and tasty. We've got some great value chicken flavored stuffing that I already prepared, just followed directions, super easy. And some leftover turkey. I'd say about a cup, a little bit over a cup. Just some jarred Heinz value size, Heinz turkey gravy. This is what we do. We've done this a lot. We're going to take our stuffing, and again, this is a poor guy meal 100%. There's our stuffing. I don't know if it's really stuffing. Dressing for, you know what I mean. It's pretty easy. Yeah, it's stuffing mix, I guess. But it's not like it was stuffed in a turkey or anything. It's a stovetop. It's basically stovetop. It's just a lot cheaper. So there we have that. We're going to take our turkey, just cut it up in the little pieces. We're going to give it a mix. Yep, boy, right here. Just get a little mix, and we're going to put some gravy in there. Haven't warmed it up because we're going to put this to warm up on the Z-Grills. I love the Z-Grills for smoking and for kind of like an outdoor oven. No measurements really. Um, and feel free to add, onions or any kind of spices that you want or whatever the case may be. I'm going to go ahead and add some more because we want it, you know, a little bit saucy. Mix that in. Okay. That's kind of what we're talking about. And this poor guy out there cooking, so we're going to do this outdoors. It's a beautiful fall day. And we're going to transfer this into a cast iron pan here that I sprayed down with some cooking oil. Plop it right in there. This is no nonsense, folks. If you're looking for a way to get rid of your leftover Thanksgiving dinner, if you had turkey, this is a great way to do it. It's so easy and it's tasty. That's what we're looking at there. And let's just go ahead and pour a little bit of gravy over the top. Now I'm just going to put this, again, I'm just going to put this in the smoker, the Z-Grills pellet smoker. And we're going to do it right around 375. That's it. That's what I'm talking about. You can put this in the oven, no problem whatsoever. There's the Z-Grills. This is going to give it a little hint of smoke. And we're just going to, everything's cooked. We're just going to let it warm up at this point. So while that's warming up, I don't know, 10, 15, 20 minutes, well, I'll let you know. I want to show you what I got from a good friend of mine who has a YouTube channel. His name is Dennis. He sent me a couple stickers, and the folks that have sent me stickers in the past, I really need to come up, since we moved, I need to come up with a good spot to display everybody's stickers other than my Blackstone, because I don't use the Blackstone all the time. So some good friends have sent me stickers and magnets, and Dennis is one of them. So Dennis Backyard Barbecue, great channel, really great channel. This guy does barbecue 100% correct. I've learned a lot from him. He's in South Carolina. Dennis, I'm gonna when I figure out a spot where, I don't know if I'm gonna put them in the shed. I'm gonna put my newest ones somewhere so I can display them in my cooking videos. But Dennis, I'm gonna find a good spot for you. Don't worry. Uh, but yeah, I'll share a link for Dennis's channel. He's a great guy, good supporter of our channel, and has his own really fantastic ways of barbecuing and cooking outdoors too. So give him a look, check out that link, and go over and support Dennis because he's a great guy and really knows what he's doing. Good supporter, love the guy. So thank you, Dennis. And we're gonna let the Z-Grills do its thing. Pellet smoker. This is a great addition to our outdoor cooking arsenal. Z-Grills. And yeah, we're just gonna let that warm up, and we're gonna go ahead and give it a try. It's a no-brainer. Again, Poor Guy Outdoor Cooking. We're about the regular folks and just making up quick, easy meals and give you a basic recipe that you can make your own way. So that's what we're doing here today. So hope everyone had a great holiday, and come on back when this is done. Peace. Hey, we're back. I got my gloves on. Hey, it's been about 15 minutes, really. 375 in the Z-Grills. And then let me show you what it takes. what it looks like here. Oh yeah, I can see it bubbling, the gravy. I'm gonna put that down because that's dang hot, that cast iron. Woo, look at it. I mean, that's not bad. That's not a bad meal. I'm just saying. I mean, you could take basic ingredients and make them into something real tasty. We're gonna go ahead and just put some dry parsley on there. I'm gonna need to get a thumbnail, because that's important when you got a YouTube channel. You got to have a catchy thumbnail. And then I'm just gonna give it a try. I don't even know why I'm trying because I eat it all the time and I love it. So let me get a thumbnail. Uh, Pardon the interruption, and I'll tell you what I think of it. All right, right on. Peace. Ready. Let's do this. Got our fancy thumbnail. I'm so excited. Oh yeah, that's gonna be hot. That's gonna be hot. It's gonna burn my mouth, and I don't even care. Let's blow on it. Cheers. Oh yeah. That's, I'm telling you, it's good. I mean, it may seem basic and stupid, but it's really good. Now, I'm not gonna add any salt. I might add a little bit of pepper because that stove top and the gravy is very salty. I know Ron, I know Scott, I know what you're gonna say, but it doesn't need salt. Uh, Poor guy out there cooking. Give it a try. We're not foodies here. We like food, but we're not foodies. So, um, then go over and give Dennis a look and hit a subscribe. He would appreciate it, and I think you'll enjoy his channel too, Dennis Backyard Barbecue. That's what we got from the Poor Guy Studios. And thanks a lot for stopping by. Hey, subscribe to me if you're new here. That'd be great too. Peace.